Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage security operations with CrowdStrike, beginner guide step by step clearly. To manage security operations effectively with CrowdStrike, begin by creating your CrowdStrike account. Visit the CrowdStrike website and select the sign up option. Enter your organizational details and choose a strong password. Once your account is set up, log into the CrowdStrike Falcon platform. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard on the main page. Navigate to the Overview section to view alerts, detections, and ongoing incidents. Utilize the search bar to locate specific threats or activities. To investigate an incident, click on the Incidents tab in the sidebar. Review the details of each incident, including timestamps and affected endpoints. Use the investigation features to dive deeper into the data. Observe historical trends to understand patterns and emerging threats. For real-time updates, check the Live Threat Hunting section. To respond to threats, access the Response menu. Select the appropriate action for each incident, such as quarantine or system isolation. Monitor the progress of your response through the platform's tracking system. Regularly update your security policies by visiting the Policies tab. Integrate additional security tools as needed through the Integrations section. Schedule periodic reviews and assessments of your security operations. Stay informed by utilizing the threat intelligence reports available within the platform. Engage with training resources through the support section to enhance your skills. As you grow more comfortable, customize alerts to focus on critical events. Conduct regular team meetings to discuss findings and updates on security operations. Continuously refine your processes based on the insights gained from CrowdStrike. Make it a habit to check and respond to alerts daily to ensure robust security management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.